@NCERT video book welcomes you. Today we are going to start chapter 13. Time goes on. Let's start chapter 13. Time goes on. You can see a picture of calendar is given here. This girl says, Appa bought a new calendar. Amma points a big blunder. Missing was the month of July. I wonder where did it fly? Don't worry, don't worry. I have a solution to your query. July and January looks the same. Let us play the calendar game. You can see a calendar is given here. The calendar of month July is missing. It is said July and January looks the same. Let us do. Make the calendar for the month of July 2024. You can see the last date of June is 30 and it is on Sunday. So July will start from Monday. You can see months January, February, March, April, May, June, July missing here, August, September, October, November, December. You can see here the calendar of January and July is same. That first day is Monday and both has 31 days as written here. Observe the July month and complete the following. 1. Number of Sundays. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Write the dates in this month that are Thursday. 4, 11, 18, 25. 3. 3 days after July 22 is July 25. The day on this date is Thursday. 4. A school closes on July 7 for 15 days. The date on which the school will open is after 7 15 days, 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The school will open on 23rd of July. July 23. Let us explore. Collect the calendars for the last 2 years. Observe the following in both the calendars. 1. What is the same? What is changing in the years? Tick the correct answer. A. Names of the months. Same. B. Days in a month. Almost same. It will depend whether the year is leap year or not. C. Days in week. Can you do that? D. Number of Sundays. Can you do that? E. Number of weeks in a year. Let's find out the number of weeks in a year. If a year has 365 days, that is not a leap year, then number of weeks will be 52. You can do that by multiplying 7 to 52. That means 52 weeks means 364 days and 1 day is left. If it is leap year, then 2 days will be left. Festival date month year DDMMYY. Date month year DDMMYY. Festival date month year DDMMYY. Date month year DDMMYY. दीपावली, मकर संक्रांति, गणेश चतुर्थी, महावीर जयंती, ईद उल फितर, इंडिपेंडेंस डे, दशहरा, गुरु पुरब, बुद्ध पूर्णिमा, रिपब्लिक डे, क्रिसमस, योर बर्थडे. You have to take 2 calendars. For example, you take calendar of 2024 here and 2023 here, then write the corresponding dates. Similarly, for these festivals. Circle the festivals that falls on the same date. Let us do 1. Write the names of the 12 months in a year. You have to write January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 2. Months that have less than 30 days. February. 3. Number of days in a year. It will depend whether the year is leap year or not. If it is not leap year, then 365 days. If leap year, then 366 days. 4. Ethel says there are 53 weeks in a year. Is she right? Yes, no. If not, how many weeks did you find in a year? I have done it here. You can see a year has 52 weeks. If it is leap year, then 52 weeks and 2 days. If not leap year, then 52 weeks and 1 day. Not 53. Is fun. Talk to your mother and find the following. Age of my mother's mother when my mother was born. Dash. My age today. Dash. My mother's age today. Dash. Similarly, age of my mother's mother when I was born. Dash. Age of my mother's mother today. Dash. My mother's age when I was born. You can take help of your elders to fill this. Ethel is twice as old as her brother. She is also 10 years older than her brother. Guess the age of Ethel and her brother. The answer is Ethel's age is 20 and her brother's age is 10. As Ethel is twice as old as her brother. 20 is double of 10. Ethel is 10 years older than her brother. 20 is 10 more than 10. Teacher's note. Discuss with the children the strategies they use to find the age of different people. Let us do. Form number 5. Government of Kerala. Birth certificate. This is to certify that this information is taken from the original record of birth, which is in the register of year 2015 of Kottayam Panchayat. Name Bincy Thomas Jacob. Sex female. Date of birth 2/5/2015. 2nd May 2015. Place of birth Kadam Puja Hospital. Name of father Jacob Tharakan. Name of mother Clara Thomas. Date of registration 2/5/2015. Registration number 815 Part 15. Date 18/5/2015. Signature authority. Look at the birth certificate of Bincy and answer the following questions. 1. 2/5/2015 shows that Bincy was born on 2nd May in the year 2015. 2. How old will Bincy be on 2nd May 2025? That is 10 years old. That is 2025 minus 2015. 3. How old will she be in 2030? That is 2030 minus 2015. That is 15 years. 4. 8th birthday of Bincy was on 8 years after 2015. That is on 2nd May 2023. That is 8 years after 2/5/2015. 5. Bincy was dash months old on 2nd August 2015. That is after May, June 1 month, July 2 month, August 3 months. 6. After how many days of her birth was the certificate issued? That is 18 minus 2. 16 days. Let us do 1. Make your own birth certificate. Form number blank space is given here. Government of blank space is given here. For reference, you can see the given birth certificate of Bincy. Birth certificate. This is to certify that the information was taken from original records of birth, which is in the register of year dash and dash. Name dash, sex dash, date of birth dash, place of birth dash, name of father dash. You can write about yourselves here. Name of mother dash, date of making certificate here. You can write it by your imagination. Is on the date of making the certificate. Your signature. 2. Complete the following by writing the dates in the boxes given below. Date of birth, date on which you were admitted in the school, date on which you were admitted in class, date on which you were admitted in class 3. Let us play. Get a working analog clock or watch. Observe the face of the clock and movements of the hands. Discuss what you observe. Hour hand, a smaller one. Minute hand, the bigger one. Let us do 1. Hetal started her breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. She finishes her breakfast at 7:15 in the morning. A. This shows 7 o'clock here. B. This shows 7:15 here. This is hour hand. This is minute hand. So you can see here hour hand is at 7, that is 7, and minute hand is at 0 or 12, counted as 0 minutes. Similarly, everybody knows one complete rotation of minute hand makes 60 minutes. That means 12 parts of 60 will have 5 each. You can see 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here. 5, 5, 10, and 5, 15. From here to here, 15 minutes have gone. So 7 o'clock 15 minutes. She took 15 minutes to eat her breakfast. How do you know? You can see the starting time this one, and the difference between finishing time is 15 minutes. 2. Draw the hour hand and minute hand on the clock to show the following. A. 8:15 or quarter past 8. That is hour hand just ahead of 8 and minute hand at 3, that is 15 minutes after starting point, that is 0 or 12. B. 8:30 or half past 8. Hour hand in the middle of 8 and 9 and minute hand on 6, that is 30 minutes after 8. Teacher's note. Discuss with children what the numbers and marks on the clock mean. Also discuss the process of measuring the duration of hours and minutes using the clock. Let us do a day in the life of Ethel. Match the activity with the statement shown in the picture. Write the time and draw the minute hand and the hour hand wherever it is required. It is written Ethel wakes up at 6 o'clock, does yoga at 7 o'clock. You can draw hour and minute hand here. Hour hand at 7 and minute hand at 12. Goes to school at 8 o'clock. Return to home at 1 o'clock. Have lunch at 2 o'clock. Plays at 4 o'clock. Studies at 5 o'clock. goes to sleep at 9 o'clock. Visit to Nani's house, Grandma's house. This girl says, is this the same sweater you were knitting earlier? Grandpa says, yes, it took me 2 months. Now it is almost ready for you. How long do these vegetables take to grow? This girl asks. Grandpa replies, different vegetable seeds take different times to grow. Radish takes 2 to 3 weeks. Cabbage, capsicum, carrot, cauliflower, etc. may take 2 to 3 months. Let us think. Fill in the table by writing events or activities from your daily life that can take the following duration of time. One is written as an example in each column. Takes months, changing from summer to winter. Takes weeks, completing a chapter in class. Takes days, knitting a sweater. Takes hours, stitching a shirt. Takes minutes, taking a shower. Similarly, you can write ripening of mango. Takes month. Holidays of summer. Summer holidays takes week. Similarly, Dasahara holidays takes days. School hours takes hours. Similarly, brushing teeth takes minutes. Teacher's note. Bring the children's attention to different events that take minutes, hours, days, or months to complete. 3. Write the number of minutes taken in the following activities. Activity. Time taken. A school period. If you have 8 periods and each having 40 minutes, that means 320 minutes. Lunch break 20 minutes. Midday meal 30 minutes. Play period 60 minutes. That is almost 1 hour. Eating dinner 30 minutes. Brushing teeth 10 minutes. You can write according to your daily routine. 4. Write down what you can do in the time frame given below. Time, activity 5 minutes, washing face 10 minutes, brushing teeth 15 minutes, doing lunch 20 minutes, bathing. You can write according to your daily routine. 5. Write the number of minutes passed by looking at the movement of the minute and hour hands. Beginning time, end time, time taken. Beginning time 8 o'clock 10 minutes. End time 8 o'clock 15 minutes. Time taken 5 minutes. Similarly, beginning time 8 o'clock 20 minutes. End time 8 o'clock 30 minutes. Time taken 10 minutes. Similarly, 8 o'clock 30 minutes is the beginning time and finishing or end time is 10 o'clock 45 minutes. Time taken is 2 hours and 15 minutes. Beginning time 6 o'clock 15 minutes. End time 6 o'clock 45 minutes. Time spent 30 minutes. Beginning time 4 o'clock. End time 5 o'clock. Time taken 1 hour. Beginning time 3 o'clock 30 minutes. End time 4 o'clock 30 minutes. Time spent 1 hour. Let us explore. You may have seen digital watches or clocks at various places. Where you have seen them? You have seen at railway station or some offices or in your school. Some children are wearing digital hand watches. Similarly, this one is analog watch. It is written, a digital clock shows time using digits. A clock showing time with second, minute and hour hands is called an analog clock. 1. What is the difference between the above two clocks? It is written here. 2. Which clock do you have on your school wall? Kindly find out. Duration of time is also measured using sand clocks. Make your own sand clock timer in the presence of an adult. Material required 1. 2 waste transparent or glass bottles of small size with caps. 2. Strong glue to join bottle caps. Process: join the tops of the bottle caps with each other using a strong glue. Make a small hole with a fine needle at the center of the joint caps, like this. Fill one of the bottles halfway with fine sand and close the bottle with the joint caps. Attach the second bottle on the other side of the joint caps, like this. Find out how much time it takes to shift the sand from one bottle to the second one by looking at the clock. Your sand clock is ready for use. You may use it to time while playing different games. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video book. Thank you.